Not getting too many frames here. Hopefully that fixes itself. Alright, whatever. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, my bad, guys. Getting started a little late here today. Yes, my bad, my bad. What up, everyone? What up, Constantine, Thomas, and Mark? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Can you chart VVPR in Tesla, please and thank you? Yes, for sure. Full disclosure, I did short VVPR. I'm out. I already covered at 55, so, I'm no longer in there, but yes, we can chart that, and just letting you know, I did short that, and I did already cover for a profit. Yes, and we can do Tesla too. And, yeah, XELA is, yeah, it's still up there. Still going post-market. Alright, what up, everyone? So today is Tuesday, May 16th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange. Why am I not getting any frames, bro? Is my internet in? Alright, whatever. Yeah, Stock Exchange. Pretty neutral day. Actually, more bearish. Well, yeah, the Dow Jones in the red, Nasdaq in the green, SPY in the red. More bearish than bullish, though. I'm gonna say a slightly bearish day. But yeah, we did have the Nasdaq in the green, so that's why we're going with the Stock Exchange. So yeah, neutral to slightly bearish day. Hope you guys made some tendies. I definitely did. We'll get to that in a second. Okay, let's see here. So, yeah, once again, my bad. Getting started a couple minutes late here. Almost 10 minutes late. So what do we got for today? Not much. Gonna be another pretty short and chill show. Yeah, nowadays, I don't know, retail doesn't really participate too much. There's not too many mentions on StockTwits. Generally speaking, the news, nothing really interesting going on since which one went down? It was FRC, and then, yeah, since FRC and then PACW. After that, news-wise, nothing really going on. So we got some minor stuff here today. Alright, so as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, my plays, live rainbow bearing, all that good stuff. Today we have 3 articles, all crypto articles. Nothing too crazy. One about Celsius, withdrawing money and repaying their loans. One about Signature Bank, the aftermath, and some comments from executives. And then one about Ledger, the hard wallet, Ledger. And they rolled out a new feature, and it's getting some criticism. So we'll take a look at that. But yeah, 3 minor articles there. And today for the TA, we're going to do, let me see here. As you see in the title, TRKA, Troika Media. Yeah, apes still really like that stock. I don't know why. But that's up 25%, 5,500 mentions, number 2. On StockTwits, we'll get to that. XELA, number 4, 3,100 mentions, 91% up. So look at that. GDC as well. GD Culture Group up 42%. And then OMH down 74%. We'll look at that. So 4 stocks: TRKA, XELA, GDC, and OMH. And yeah, full disclosure, I did short OMH yesterday, and I covered it at 34, and now it's down to 6. So clown on me. I mean, I did make some pretty good money there, but damn, if I held, I would have made like more than 75%. Oh well, that's how it goes. All right, so those 4. Anything else you guys want to look at? VVPR and Tesla for Mark, and anything else put in the chat right now. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs. We have 5 YOLOs today. That should go by pretty quickly. They're pretty decent too. But yeah, alright, so probably go hour to an hour and a half today. Probably closer to an hour. We'll see, depending on how many people come in chat and how the live trading goes, the live rainbow bearing. All right, cool. Let's go, guys. Right. All right. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. All right, let's do some rainbow bearing. We got something here. JCSE. No news, but JCSE is mooning, so we will add that to the watch list. And let me actually see if there's news on IBKR, because sometimes there's news on TD, not IBKR, and sometimes there's news on IBKR and not TD, but there's no news on both. That is running out of shares, though. Should I short it? It is running out of shares. I kind of want to go for it. 28K shares left. It's going down. Alright, I'm gonna set it to 90. If it hits 90, I'll take 90. But I'm not gonna chase it here. Alright, let's do that. Put in an order for 90 cents. JCSE. Yeah, that's. I don't know if I'm gonna get filled here. It's already going down. Shares are going down fast. I should have went for 85. That's alright. So I have the order in at 90. If it hits 90, great. If not, oh well. So yeah, there's JCSE going right now. That's about it. Nothing else going. Okay. So it's sitting at 80. Well, the bid is 84 and the ask is 85. And the shares are at 7,500 now, so. Let's actually look at that on the chart. Yeah, may have topped out here. May have actually, maybe both lagging, actually, to be honest. Alright, so moment of truth coming up here. Is it going to break out? Is it going to break down or break out to the upside from this possible bull flag? We'll see. To me, honestly, it looks like it kind of wants to break out. But, yeah, I got my order in at 90. If not, whatever. But it just tanked to 81. Alright, so let's do another scan and get back to, well, start the show. Yes, at 80. Okay. Yeah, it's already tanking. Yeah, I think I missed it. Okay. Damn, I should have went for 85. Alright. Yeah, it broke out to the downside. Looks like it's done. Yeah, got a little too greedy. Should have shorted at 85. That would have been near the top. Oh well. Alright. Let's get started with the show here. Sorry, some new stuff is popping up here. Let me just make sure there's no news. Alright, I think we're good. Cool. So let's start off with my plays today. Locks. FIO and VVPR. Okay. Cool. All right, let's let's go, guys. So today we got 8 plays and still holding Still holding 5, so covered 3 of them. Alright, so let's do it. IMGN up 1.55%, down 65. BLCM down 5.6%, up 220. NBTX up 15%, down 350. GSIT down 19.65%, up 840. APLD up 55%, down 290. And then ELOX, big gainer there. Shorted that yesterday at like 13. I don't even know. Shorted at something ridiculous yesterday, and just covered at 8. So made over $1,000 there. PHIO made about 550 there, and then VVPR made 550 there. So yeah, in total I'm up over 1,300, up over about 1,400. So yeah, I mean, I'm certainly not complaining. Almost 1,400. Not getting any massive wins like I was previously in the past few weeks, but I'm slowly grinding here, a couple hundred or over 1,000 every day. So yeah, I'll take it. So not a bad day at all for me. And APLD is starting to tank now post-market. So we'll see where this ends up at the end of the day. But yeah, at the moment about $1,400 gain for me. Very nice. AM with good day. Didn't see that. I can look at it right now, but I'm familiar with that stock. Yeah, I did get squeezed out of that. That's how I remember. I got squeezed out of that a couple months ago, I think. 13%. Okay. Yeah. Well, I think you're in it. Sounds like you're in it, Mark. So congrats to you. Wow, look at that chart. That is pretty crazy. Yeah, that's why I got squeezed out. Yeah, you know, not financial advice, but RSI's at 70 now, so may want to consider selling. Not saying you should, but you know, consider it. I definitely would consider it. All right. Let's get to the watch list. And I guess we'll start on the green side. Gonna take a quick drink here. Yeah, GSIT still pulling back, and APLD yeah, it's holding 530. Okay. Let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 1.01%. Nasdaq up 0.09%. And the S&P down 0.67%. So yeah, I guess we could have went with Raministan, because the Nasdaq was just barely in the green, but yeah, looks like a slightly bearish day here today. VIX is up 5.08%, up 0.87 points. So VIX is at 18 now, 17.99, which is still really good, but we are climbing up. So, you know, not anything to be too concerned about, but yeah, we should keep an eye on that. All right, let's do it. Let's do the green side first. Not much going on here, but yeah, we got XELA. That's getting wrecked now, post market. But XELA is up 104%. We will analyze that, as you see in the title. Yeah, probably just some gamma squeeze after getting wrecked so hard. But yeah, 104% and tanking post market. And yeah, other than that, not much going on. There's MEGL, IMPP, Clover. Google's up a lot, 2.7%. Yeah, there's like Google, Amazon. Amazon's up 2%. Nvidia, 0.9%. Microsoft, 0.7%. Yeah, Tesla, 0.1%. So really not much going on except for like XELA and a few select tech stocks. Really, those stocks are holding up the whole market, these tech stocks, seems like. Onto the red side. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button, please, and thank you. What up? Alright, Constantine, got you. So we're gonna get to TRKA, and sure, we'll do Mullen. What up, Koya? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Any plays? As of right now, no. I did have an order on JCSE at 90, but I don't think it's gonna get there. It's already pulling back. No, right now it's pretty slow post market. Let's do another scan though. Did you short XELA? No, I tried, dude. Didn't get any shares. And now it's down to 520, so little too late to go for, in my opinion. I'm not gonna go for it, not gonna chase it. But no, I tried shorting it at 6, and I didn't get the shares. I wish I did. I want to short XELA so bad, man. Hey, I mean, it'll probably keep going down, in the, you know, in the longer short term. So, I mean, I could support that. We are going to chart that, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I mean, it's probably going to pull back, so I would not blame you if you want to short it. Yeah, I'm not going to do it because, yeah, I wanted 6, but yeah, we'll chart it, and it's still a pretty good short at this price. So, yeah, for sure. I can support that. Not financial advice. All right. What's the EPOW? What is going on there? Earnings. All right. Earnings on EPOW. Let me check that out. $11,000 shares left. Should I go for it? I'm gonna go for it. Let's do 275. Is it coming down? Am I not gonna get filled? Don't do it. Oh man, it's coming down quick. No! Come on. Bruh, really? Alright, let's put it up on the chart. Oh man, I don't want to chase this, but it is going down. Damn! Oh no. I think I missed it. Alright, I'm gonna keep it here at 270. And, hope it comes back up, but I don't think so. Something is getting filled, though. Oh, JCSC. Holy crap. Alright, well, I just got fully filled on JCSE. What happened here? Wow, so it looked like it was tanking. And then it started squeezing, and then I shorted it here at 90, and, yeah, I think I literally shorted the top here. Okay, well, I'll take it. So I think I missed EPOW, but I did catch JCSE here. Would have been nice if I actually did catch EPOW. Nice, congrats with tie with JCSE. Hey, well, I mean, it's a good entry, but for all we know, it can keep mooning. It's at 92 now, actually. But I am happy with this entry. EPOW, man, I missed this one. Oh man, why did I not make 275? Or even 270. Damn, I got too greedy and I missed out. Oh man. That's how it goes, guys. That's how it goes. Should have taken 270. Maybe we'll get a bounce here. I doubt it. It's fallen off pretty hard here. Man. Man, oh man. Well. Alright. And, JCSE is up to 95 now, of course. Of course, of course. Alright. Yeah, so EPOW is chilling at 240. Yeah, so it's EPOW and JCSE. Looks like we're getting some bounce here. Alright, so I'm just going to keep my order in at 270 here. Maybe it'll bounce. If not, whatever. But I did get filled on JCSE, so I'm kind of okay with that. Alright, let's get back to the watch list here. I already forgot. So we're on the red side, right? Yeah. Okay. Yo, I shorted XELA at $3. Should I cover? XELA 3. No, you're trolling, dude. You ain't shorting no damn XELA at $3. That'd be mega go. Yeah, what did Rara Coco say? Okay. Alright, JCSE is pulling back here. Let me actually set a... Let me set an exit here. 60.28. $66. Alright, setting the buy order to 66. Oh, wrong one. Alright, order in 66 buy order. EPOW is bouncing, so maybe we can catch that one again. Alright, back to this. Ken is effing with us? Yeah. Ken is quite the troll. Triple MOAS. Yep. Reverse split. Nuclear MOAS. Reverse split. They got what they wanted. Ken would have went long with XELA at 3. I don't know why anyone would buy XELA, okay? That thing has just been getting wrecked for like 2 straight years. Alright, back to this. Onto the red side. Not going to spend too much time here because it looks like everything's in the red for the most part. But we got a lot of memes. Price action isn't too crazy. But we got some memes here. Fubo, Ride. Nikola, Peloton. Oxygen's still a thing? Wow, it's down to 70. Damn, Paramount keeps getting wrecked. Down at 15. Coinbase, 4.8. eBay, 4.7. Go. Yeah, so some decent price action on the growth. GM down 2.55%, Exxon 2.4. Alright, so actually, yeah, value is pretty in the red here, actually. Nike 2.8, Exxon 2.4. Yeah, PayPal 2.3, Domino's, or Disney 2, Domino's 2. Yeah, so actually, this is a bit deceiving. There is quite a bit of value in the red here, so... Yeah, the indexes are a little deceiving. They should be more in the red. So it looks like tech is really holding up the whole market, and everything else is pretty down. So I would actually say today is pretty bearish. Or a bearish day. A little more than slightly bearish. So, go there. At least GSIT is pulling back. Short GSIT hard before no share. Speak of the devil, huh? I'm already short, and I'm still down money. I'm in at like 375, so I held through some major price action there, and I'm almost break even. Come back for me, you apes. I'm down 140 here. Okay. APLD is going the wrong way. Alright, yeah, so I did pretty good, and, yeah, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made money. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. I'm actually losing money here post-market. It's because of JCSE. That's why. Damn, why did I not short EPOW? I effed up on that one. Yes, I did. Alright. Yeah, JCSE is up to 99 now. That is going kind of nuts. So hopefully that pulls back. Alright, let's get on to crypto and the news. Let's do another scan first. Yeah, so JCSE at the top, and then EPOW right there. Man, I just missed out on like $500 because I got a little too greedy. That is very, very unfortunate. Man. Man, oh man. Damn, dude. That one hurts. Hurts more because I missed that one, and then I go for the other one, and I'm losing there, and I would have made here. That's alright. Alright, 1 second. Let's pull up crypto and the news. Alright, let's give that a minute to finish loading. And we'll do that. Alright, still loading. We'll give this a little bit longer. Article is loading up. Pepe coins. Why Pac West keep pumping, bro? These apes never learn. I actually didn't see Pac West today, but I don't know. It's a meme stock now. You know, it's totally unpredictable. Anything can happen. But I mean, over the longer term, it'll probably go down now. Apes never learn? Yeah, you're right. Apes. Well, some apes learn. You know, we were all apes at one point, but the majority of apes never learn. Yes, and they just continue to get wrecked. But that's fine because if there were no dumb apes, then we wouldn't make money as rainbow bears, right? All right. We're gonna go anyway. One article still loading, but whatever. Short now and wait. OMH, these apes would be saying $50. Yeah, I didn't really see the StockTwits today, but I know you said the apes are screaming $40. Yeah, that's a very clear bearish indicator, not financial advice. When the apes are screaming moon and big bounce and you know, slap that ass, all that stuff, it's probably gonna crash. I feel you, dude. Generally speaking, you want to inverse the sentiment, the social media sentiment. So even if the apes are being bearish, then you probably want to go bull. These apes screaming moving it every day. Yeah, it's hopium. It's a circle jerk. It's a cult. You know, you'll learn this stuff over time. Before, when I was apes, I love it. Yeah, I wasn't an ape for too long, but I remember those days. Now I think they're crazy. Yeah, so smart ape now. Smart ape. Oh, you know that meme? The roll tide. Do I have it here? Well, I do have the knowledge one.
Knowledge.
Little lag. One more time.
Knowledge.
There we go. Yeah, knowledge. We got knowledge now. I was calling Raw Coco father of stock. Did you really, dude? did you listen to him before you became a bear? He's a big short. He really might be a big short. I don't know. He's either stupid or a big short. Hate that Lopez scam. Hey, that's Raw Coco 2.0. Or Raw Coco is Lopez 2.0. All right. Here comes a siren. Going to talk over it. Alright, so here's crypto. Why am I lagging so hard today, bro? This is crazy. I don't know. Here's crypto that is down 1.46% today. Alright, looks like Bitcoin really leading the way here. Bitcoin's now 1.42%, under 27K. Ether down 0.22%, 1,800. Binance 1.1, XRP 0.8, Cardano 0.9, Doge 0.3, Solana 2.7. Litecoin's up 1.7. But for the most part, it looks like a lot of red. I'll sort it out. Alright, start on the green side. So, yeah, there's more on the green than I thought. Looks like 20% of the coins in the green. We'll just call it. Nothing in the double digits. Biggest gainer is Conflux, about 9%. And biggest value coin is Litecoin, 1.6%. So not much going on the green side. Let's take a look at the red side. Yeah, so it looks like 80% of the coins in the red. Also not that much price action. Biggest loser is Kava, 9%. And also looks like mostly altcoins, growth coins, rather than value. So, Solana's down 2.7%. Anyway, so, yeah, looks like not too much happening in crypto today. Mostly just Bitcoin and altcoins. So slightly bearish day here today. But yeah, nothing too crazy going on in crypto. But yeah, overall, so bearish day in the stock market, slightly bearish day in crypto. So, not the best day for the bulls. But not too bad at all. So yeah, hope you guys made money, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Alright, let's move on to the articles today. So once again, guys, we have 3 articles. One about Celsius, one about Signature Bank executives, and one about Ledger. Alright, so Celsius withdraws over $800 million ST, I think that's stake Ethereum. STETH, staked on Lido Finance, following upgrade. So yeah. So it says it right there in title. They withdrew $800 million in STETH, which is used for unstaking from Lido Finance. And but they still owe $4.7 billion in bankruptcy proceedings. So sounds like a lot of money, but it's not, because they owe it all. So I guess they just did that to pay back some loans here, pay down their bankruptcy. Yeah, is this company going to survive? I don't know. But Celsius withdrew $800 million there. All right, next one. Signature executives say crypto-friendly bank was in solid shape. The lender's former chairman and president said his colleagues remain mystified as to why they were shut down. All right, so yeah, they say the executives say that they were fine, did not need to be shut down, and they're pretty much saying it was because they're a crypto bank, and this was an opportunity for the government to make a statement about crypto. I mean, just fun at the moment, just speculation. They have a point, I'm not gonna lie, but can't confirm anything. But yeah, apparently, and of course, if you're an executive of the bank, you're gonna say this. No one knows for sure, but they're claiming they were fine, and yeah, the regulators, the Fed, just came in, seized them, and they didn't need to be. So they're claiming it's just an attack on crypto. May or may not be. Who knows? But yeah, aftermath. In the aftermath, these are some comments from the Signature Bank executives. All right, last one. Ledger bats back criticism of new wallet recovery service. All right, so Ledger, which is the hard wallet, which I recommend everyone get if you use crypto. Maybe not Ledger specifically, although they are very good, but just get a hard wallet, cold storage, rather than keeping it online on a website. But yeah, so they rolled out a new feature called Ledger Recover, which stores your seed phrases with third-party custodians. And there's a lot of controversy about this. A lot of people are unhappy, and those are probably more the hardcore crypto enthusiast. Yeah, I agree. You're not supposed to have someone else hold your seed. That's the whole point of the seed. Only you're supposed to have it. But at the same time, I kind of understand, someone less tech savvy, not really into the whole crypto thing, doesn't really know anything about anything. So this would make it a lot easier for them. But it does raise a lot of security concerns. So I'm on the side of not rolling this out, but it's going to happen. And to the majority of people in crypto now, like I said, they're not tech savvy, so they probably want this. But yeah, so nowadays, these unhackable, unstealable wallets, whatever, may not be that unhackable anymore, unstealable. So this is where crypto is moving. All right, cool. 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the YOLOs, and let's do some TA while that loads up, and then we'll finish up with the YOLOs and get out of here. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button, please, and thank you. All right, let's do another scan here. So JCSE still chilling at 99. Yeah, EPOW down at 226 now, of course. NWLI. Alright, NWLI announces strategic alternatives. Not much volume there, though. Man, JCSE's up to $1 now, bro. Good. Good. Alright, Wet G. No news. Alright, so, yeah, still nothing really going on other than JCSE. Alright, let's do some charting. TRKA, XELA, forgot what else. OMH, some other stuff. Alright, so TRKA, so yes, remember I drew this? Descending triangle, said, looks like it's consolidating, and it should be breaking out to the upside. Well, I said it was going to break out any moment now, either to the upside or the downside, but more likely to the upside. And yeah, it is breaking out of this descending triangle now. So, this is a gap. 2255. 2255. No gap. But yeah, upside break here. Aftermarket action is pulling back. So that's bearish. RSI is at 57, so slightly bearish there. Possible cup and handle. All right, so in the short term, this may come back up to 30, I think, to complete this cup and handle. Yeah, not financial advice, but I think in the short term, the ceiling here would be probably 30. And then it'll probably pull back down to around 25-ish to complete the cup and handle. So it's pretty hard to say in the short term. So it did break out, but right now it's pretty neutral. A little more bearish, but neutral. So yeah, like I said, may come back up to 30, but it's probably going to chill around 25 for a little bit. Fluctuate between 30 and 25, I think. So definitely wouldn't go short, and going long, not the best play, but you may be able to make about 20% here on the upside. So if you want to go long, I can support that, although not the best play. Average, decent play. But yeah, would not go short, and if you want to, go ahead, go long, and I'd cover, or I'd sell at 30. Okay. TRKA sucks in my opinion. TRKA, Mullen, BBIG, BBY, XELA, all the same to me. Yeah, they're all meme stocks. All ape favorites. Yeah, all meme stocks suck. I think we all know that. But we talk about them because they're popular. They get clicks. All right, next one, XELA. I still can't really do this one because the chart is incorrect. Yeah, I don't know if TD is even gonna fix this chart. This is not a correct chart here. This is post reverse split. Yes, I can't really comment on this, but for sure it's gonna pull back up 104%. It's already pulling back, so I can't say how far it's gonna pull back. Well, it's probably gonna pull back below 3, to be honest, because that's where it was after the split, and then it moved to 6, went to 8 today actually. So yeah, I can't really do a full TA here, but obviously it's gonna pull back, and personally, I think it's gonna pull back below 3. Not saying it will, but I think it's gonna pull below 3. So you know, I can support shorting this. Definitely would not go long, and yeah, it looks like a pretty good short to me. And again, I can't say how low it's gonna go, but personally, I think it's gonna go below 3. So I think this is a good time, good entry to short. And yeah, cover wherever you want to, but looks pretty bearish in my opinion. I can't prove it because TA is messed up, but you know, just based on my experience with meme stocks, you know it's gonna crash. So very bearish. Don't go long. You missed a chance. Don't go long. It's about to be a falling knife. So yeah, I can support going short. And yeah, lots of thinnies here on the downside. All right, next one, OMH. So not much to analyze here. Full disclosure, I did get, well, I was in at 43, so I had a really good price here, and I covered at 34. And then, of course, it goes down to 6 today, so could have made a lot of money here. A lot of money, but only made 20%. But that's all right. Green is better than nothing. Green is green. Green is good. Comes another siren. Sorry about that, guys. Gonna talk over it. So, I mean, it didn't draw support and resistance, but yeah, here's support at 630. Probably gonna be another one at 540 and 430 and 380. Anyway, it's done. It's done. I think it's too late to short. Although it probably will keep pulling back. But you missed a chance on the short side. It already went down 80%. Don't short this. And maybe you want to consider going long coming up. Not yet, but after this is done selling off, after the falling knife is done, after it's done selling off, catches support, and reverses, then you can consider going long. Can't say where it's going to be, though. So, yeah, for the moment, don't go long or short. Wait it out for a few days. And if you want to, go long when this starts to reverse. But can't say where that's going to be. Yeah. Once again, don't go long or short at the moment. But I can't support going long in a few days here once this calms down. And who knows? Could be a big pop. Upside reverse. Okay. What else? What else? GDC. All right, GDC. So I shorted this the other day and I already covered, but all right, so gap up at 565, so should pull back down there. RSI's at 52, so fair market value or MACD is bearish right now, but it looks like it's reversing. Yeah, not too much to go off of here, but and aftermarket it's already pulling back, so yeah, it looks like this topped out around 1050 was the cup and handle, topped out at 1050. Bottom of the cup is like 350. So 350. Yeah, so this will probably pull back to 565 and then go to the upside again. Anyway, yeah, in the immediate short term looks bearish, probably gonna pull back down at 565, so what is that? 15% downside, maybe, and then it should probably go up to 10 again. Anyway, it's pretty neutral at the moment. I think it's gonna go down to 565. Maybe it'll reverse to 10, but yeah, it's probably coming down to 565. So if you want to short, it's not the best play, but average entry here should be able to make about 15% And if you want to gamble a little bit, it may go back up to 10. Honestly, I just avoid this one. There are better plays out there. But yes, if you want to play this one, I'd say go short for the immediate short term. And then once it hits 565, consider going long and selling at 10. Okay. All right. And then now we're doing VVPR, Tesla, and Mullen, right? All right, VVPR, full disclosure, I did short this already out at 55 today. Yeah, so it filled the gap, and it's holding 60, so that's interesting. RSI 64, major volume, MACD bullish, so it does look bearish. It does look more bearish than bullish. But it is holding 60 pretty strong here, so yeah, to be honest, I'd just exit both ways right here, long and short. May come up to 90 in the short term. Not saying it will, but could be a cup and handle up to 90. Really shouldn't go higher than that. And but honestly, I think it's gonna pull back because of the crazy volume here. Just massive momentum today, and probably due for some pullback. Can't say how low though, because it already pulled back down to 55 or 50, where the gap was. Yeah, so this one, I'm going to say just, if you're not in, avoid it altogether. If you are in, I'd probably get out of there, exit either way. And right now, it's kind of a gamble. So I'm going to say the ceiling is 90, and there's some pretty critical support here at 50. So I don't think it's going to break 50, but yeah, let's just go with that. 90 ceiling, 50 bottom floor. Not financial advice. All right, Tesla. Can you look at SPRY tie? Yes, sure. All right, Tesla. So obviously long-term bullish. Yeah, so this one, I think last time I said if it pulls back, average down. So obviously long-term bullish. So like I said last time, if it pulls back down to 147, where this gap is, I think that's a good time to average down. And then another one at 134. And then another one at 122. Yeah, so RSI is at 45 right now, a little bit below average. Fair market value. MACD pretty neutral as well. Yeah, so a little difficult to tell which way it's going to go. It looks like it's consolidating as well, but so that's how I play it right now. Just hold, and if it pulls back to 146, 134, 122, and 115, those would be good times to average down. And if not, if it just keeps going up, then great. All right. Let's get to Mullen and SPRY, and then let's finish up with our YOLOs. So Mullen, lower lows, huh? All right, so technically, based on the charts, it looks bullish, but honestly, I would not really use technical analysis here. I'd use fundamental analysis, and I know apes don't really want to hear it, but company is really trash. I'm sorry, fundamentally. It's going to reverse split again once it goes under $1 and rinse and repeat. New generation of bag holders born. So, but once in a while, every few months, this does gamma squeeze. So there is an opportunity to make money on the long side. It's just it's a straight up gamble, and most apes will lose trying to do that. But technically on the chart here, 28 RSI, so very good entry. I mean, this is the all-time low. Raul Coco gonna delete you if you say Mullen is trash. Yeah, I've been saying that for 2 years, and I did get canceled temporarily from the apes. Like, they legit culted up. They band together and, like, mass reported me and shadow banned me for like 2 weeks. That was ridiculous. Because I'm telling the truth. But yeah, I know it's a cult. No matter what you say, you're never gonna convince them. Anyway, so yeah, technically bullish, fundamentally trash. So if you want to gamble, sure, go long, but I would really, really not recommend that. And I wouldn't even recommend going short because it already gotten beat down so hard and can win at any time. So yes, I just stay away from this one. If you want to gamble, go long. I really don't recommend that though. It's a straight up gamble. So yes, fundamentally trash. Technically looks good, but yeah, it's a gamble, and I recommend you guys don't gamble. But go ahead if you want to. All right, and last one, SPRY. All right, this one. What happened here? Well, yeah, big gap up here at 519, so it should put back down to 519. Although this is losing a lot of volume and still going up, so that's odd. It makes me think this is manipulated. Is there an upgrade here? Well, I guess it mooned on earnings, or maybe not. Mooned on news. Why did I not see this one? Interesting. Yeah, this is, let me see how many shares are left. Maybe you might want to avoid this one. So technically it looks bearish, but something funny is going on here, for sure. Yeah, there's 1.6 shorts. I would not short this one. It's, you really can't say. Technically, it looks bearish, but honestly, I think it's manipulated, and it's probably gonna keep pumping. Not gonna moon, but it'll probably steadily go up, in the long term. So technically, looks bearish, but based on personal experience, I'm gonna say this will probably keep running, slowly over time. Yeah. All right. Damn it, GSIT bounced back. Ape loved this. Yeah, it looks like it did. Few $100 here for me. That's alright. They're gonna lose the war. Alright, JCSE is actually up now, or down to 80, so good on that. So I was down. Not anymore. I'm actually up $240 there. 300 now. Still kind of mad I missed EPOW, but it is what it is. And NWLI is getting up there. Wow, that is large cap stock. All right, so still nothing going on post market here. All right, so let's finish up with the YOLOs, guys. Cool, what time is it? 5:08. So yeah, we should be out of here in about 15 minutes. So yeah, pretty standard show. About hour 15. Okay. Let's do it. First one by Reddit user 10110. 20K VIX YOLO. Alright. So January. Alright, this is for next year. So it's a leaps, which so not as interesting as I thought. But this is responsible aping here. So leaps on VIX. January 17th, 2024, $26. Really? So, yeah, that means he's bearish, and he thinks the market is going to crash going into next year. So we got a rainbow bear here. Expecting volatility to spike in coming months. Well, he's not necessarily bearish, but yeah, expecting volatility, which usually means bearish. Expecting to see volatility around 40. Really? He thinks the VIX is gonna go to 40? That was what it was during the C19, bro. Like, all right, well, I mean, 10Ds or 1Ds. So, either going to Moon or gonna be Mega Go. But, I guess the worst thing that can happen is you lose 20K, which is probably gonna happen. Anyway. So, it's pretty ridiculous to me. To me, why not just buy puts on SPY? But, yeah, sure. Okay. So, good luck, man. Gonna take a while. About 6 months here. 7 months. Almost 8. But, yeah, good luck. Hope it works out for you. And please post updates along the way. Do you think XELA goes under 3? Probably. What is it at now? 550? Yeah, didn't I just say that when we charted XELA? Yes, I do think it will go under 3. Not financial advice, but that's what it was when it reverse split. And yeah, so it'll probably go back under there. Bro, can you show me how to short IBKR? Are you trolling? Are you trolling, dude? You are definitely trolling. All right, next one by Effort Apprehensive for 8. What a ride! Lost a lot, then recovered with profit. All right, so I don't even know what he's doing here. Whole bunch of stuff. SPY, TTWO. That's Tattoo Chef, right? All right, so in November 2022, he was down 44K. Oh, Robinhood. Which was 70 or 87%. And now in the past week, he's up 53K, which is 800%. Yeah, absolutely insane. Absolutely ridiculous. Not typical. This will probably not happen to you guys, but yeah, the guy was pretty much down and out on his luck, and this is luck. This is not skill. So yes, this is possible, but not likely. So this is your ape that got lucky, and then you apes think you can do it too, but you can't. Anyway, so very happy for you, dude. So since you're up this much money now, you know, you should probably be responsible and invest the right way instead of YOLOing. But, hey. Congrats to you, dude. Yeah, so my only advice would be chill out in the future. This is very dangerous, and you got lucky. But, yeah, congrats. Good luck. Alright. Next one by Just Send It. The old Lisa Sue 10 bag. Feels like 2020 all over again. Alright, so AMD... June 9th, 2023, $95 calls. 9 of them. So paid 86 bucks each, and now they're worth $9.52 each. So yeah. So this was a $700 YOLO, and now he's up $7,800, 1,010%. AMD 101 points. Yeah. Anyway, so you should probably sell. It's in the money. You know, got a month to go, and anything can happen. So you got to be happy with 1,000%, dude. Hit the sell button. So yeah, FD worked out. Not really sure what made him do this, but yeah, in the money. I just sell now, dude. Do not risk it. Take the money and cash out and enjoy it. So yeah, just send it. Thanks for hosting. Congrats to you, dude. Well done. Well done. 1,000% gain. So yeah, cash out. Don't risk it. Alright, next one by Rally to the Colors. I don't need to make millions. Small confident steps are enough. Well, this looks pretty good. But he's still trading options, so... I don't know if this is sustainable. But yeah, in the past month, he's up 8,900. Which is 105%. So 105% in the past month, that is not typical at all. Not realistic. And probably not sustainable, but give him the money here. I'm mad I missed out on EPOW, man. That's down to 210. So sad. So sad. Whatever. Alright, so, yeah, just a bunch of Robinhood aping here. AMD. Oh, it's AMD calls, pretty much. Yeah, AMD calls and shares. So, yeah, another AMD ape here. Straight up luck. Well, maybe some skill, but mostly luck. So, yeah, 100%. Congrats, dude. Well done. You know, hit the sell button. If you haven't already, he did. And yeah, enjoy. But understand this is probably not sustainable. You probably won't be able to replicate this. So, yeah, but congrats, enjoy, and, yeah, well done. Alright, last one by Broom Pal. Lost Corn, the dangers of antidepressants and gambling addiction. Well, there's a lot of slides here. So I don't think we're going to do all of them. Yeah, I didn't know there were this many slides. He's the charge his phone, too. But all-time, Robinhood ape here, he's down 4,000. He's down $42,000, actually. And his account is negative 4,000 right now. So that's what happens when you play margin. Yeah. I'm going to assume it's just a bunch of FDs. Actually, it looks like it wasn't that bad. So they definitely were FDs, but small consistent losses, and then it looks like he went all in this one and then just lost everything. Yep. That would do it. The chart of a pure gambling addict. Yes. So this is more like it. This is what real Wall Street Bets content is like. This is typical. This is expected. This is the real Wall Street Bets. I love it. Alright, so yeah, Broom Pal. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. But, glad you realize it and you joke about it. But yeah, obviously don't continue to do what you've been doing. It's not working. But appreciate the post. Great loss going here. Good luck to you, dude. Just do the opposite of what you've been doing and you'll be fine. All right, cool. What time is it? 5:17. Nice. So that is it, guys. That's it for the show. Let's do one more scan before we get out of here. All right, so we got NWLI up to 25% now. So if that goes to 40, I'll probably short it. But that is a little sketch because it's a very large cap stock. And yes, pretty mad about EPOW. And then there's WETG. Here comes another siren. Alright, that's it, guys. So, yeah, keep an eye on JCSC and NWLI. Alright. Cool. Alright, guys, that is the show for today. So, we went a little over an hour here. Almost an hour and a half. Yep. Appreciate it, guys. Great show, great show. Not too much content to cover, but a lot of charting. Yeah, just a lot of charting, actually. A lot of TA. Not even too much for live remote bearing. So, that was fun. That was fun. Appreciate it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yep. So, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Catch you guys back here tomorrow. And if anything else happens, I'll post it on Discord. Alright, cool. Yep, that's it. Let's get out of here. Shades. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.